Let me ask you something. If your future were decided on what you did in the last 24 hours, would you be closer to success or regret? Think carefully, because one day that very answer will decide your life. Be honest, how many times you have told yourself, I will do it tomorrow? That workout you skipped? That exam preparation you delayed? That goal you postponed while scrolling social media day after day? But what if tomorrow never comes? What if one day you wake up and realize you have lost your chance forever? When reality strikes, it hits harder than you can imagine, just like it did with Ravi. Ravi was a bright young man with dreams of becoming a doctor. His teachers praised his intelligence. His parents proudly believed one day our son will wear the white coat. But Ravi had a dangerous belief. He always thought there was a plenty of time. When exams were still months away, he told himself, I'll start tomorrow. When his friends joined coaching classes, he smirked. Why panic now? I will catch up later. His father warned, Son, time waits for no one. Ravi laughed. Papa, I am young. I have years ahead of me. When coaching classes opened, his friends rushed to enroll. Ravi, however, said, Why hurry? I'll join next week. But by the time he finally went, the seats were full. Instead of studying on his own, Ravi wasted his evening watching cricket, scrolling on his phone, and hanging out with friends. Everything except opening his books. Just one more hour, he kept thinking. Hours become days, days become weeks. Time slipped through his hands like sand. Then suddenly, the exam dates were announced. Panic struck Ravi. He opened his books at last. But the syllabus looked like a mountain. He tried cramming day and night, but nothing stayed. His body was tired. His mind was scattered. His heart sank with the fear of the future. And then the final exam day arrived. Ravi sat in the hall, staring at the question paper. The clock ticked louder with every second. His hands trembled. Sweat rolled down his forehead. His eyes blurred. He realized he didn't know the answers. All those tomorrows had betrayed him. The result? Failure. His dream of becoming a doctor shattered overnight. Meanwhile, his best friend Nitin, who had joined coaching on time, studied with focus, and valued every single day, cleared the exams and proudly entered medical college. At first, Ravi comforted himself. I'll try again. But inside, regret burned. He got admitted to a course just to keep moving forward, but gained nothing. Years passed. Ravi ended up in a dull office job. His desk piled high with files, his eyes glued to a screen he hated. One rainy evening, while leaving work, he stopped near a glowing hospital billboard. On it was a picture of his old friend, Dr. Nitin Mehta, senior surgeon. Nitin stood tall in a white coat, his parents smiling proudly beside him. Ravi froze in the rain. His chest tightened. His eyes filled with water. His voice cracked as he whispered, That could have been me. If only I hadn't wasted my time. Time is the most ruthless teacher. It doesn't pause. It doesn't wait. It doesn't give second chances. If you waste your time today, tomorrow will punish you. Don't be like Ravi, who realized the value of time only after losing it. Money lost can be earned again. Energy wasted can be regained. But wasted time, gone forever. It is like oxygen. You don't realize its value until you are running out of it. Don't wait for someday. Don't say tomorrow. Tomorrow is a lie. What you do today decides whether you live with pride or drown in regret like Ravi. Time once lost is life lost. Value it before it's too late. If this story touched you, drop your thoughts below. Hit like and subscribe to walk with us on this endless journey of growth. Your time is now. Act today. Grow tomorrow. Be unstoppable.